Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn a very important tip in Windows, a dictation tool. We have a dictation toolbar which is available in Windows which can be enabled easily and you can dictate and it will type for you. It will make your homework easier. You can type the long sentences so easily. Mail conversations can be typed and all this can be done very easily with this. How do we enable it? I'm going to use the keystroke Windows plus H, but before that, keep your Word document open. So I have got it open now. Now I'm pressing the keystroke Windows plus H. You can immediately see that it's listening to me and it will type it. You can see that it's typing. It's awesome, it's easy, and it's fun. Can you try it out yourself? That's all. That's very easy, isn't it? Give it a try and let me know if you have any questions here. And if you have any trouble in handling it, let me know. I'll be able to help you. This is the dictation toolbar for you in Windows. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have any questions, go ahead and type in the comment section. If you like the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you.